A spacecraft that can drop supplies anywhere on Earth in less than 1 hour has just been revealed in the United States. It's called ARC, and if it works, it could completely rewrite how wars are fought, how disasters are managed, and even how science pushes the boundaries of speed. But here's the catch: this isn't just another rocket or capsule, this is the world's first true space delivery vehicle. For decades, the dream has been the same: delivering life saving supplies, medicine, or critical technology to the other side of the planet instantly. Wars are often lost because help doesn't arrive on time. Disasters cut off roads, airports, and ports, leaving survivors stranded. In those moments, hours decide outcomes, sometimes even minutes. Traditional cargo planes take many hours or even days. Submarines and ships move even slower. Rockets were built to launch satellites, not to bring things back quickly or precisely. NASA's capsules, SpaceX's Dragons, and Sierra Space's Dream Chaser returned payloads or astronauts, but none of them were created to serve as global couriers on demand. ARC enters the stage with a new approach, and what follows surprises even the largest names in aerospace. ARC is the flagship vehicle of Los Angeles startup Inversion. Founded in 2021 by Justin Fiaschetti and Austin Briggs, the company set out to create a logistics network in space. ARC itself is about the size of a kitchen table, 8 feet tall and 4 feet wide. Inside, it can carry 500 pounds of cargo, from medical kits to drones to electronic warfare gear to advanced scientific payloads. The real breakthrough is how Inversion plans to use it. Instead of launching ARCs only when needed, they will be pre-positioned in orbit for up to 5 years. The instant someone on Earth calls for them, an ARC drops from space, guides itself through fiery re-entry, and lands within an hour. No runways, no sea recovery ships, only parachutes that guide it down to solid ground. ARC becomes not just a spacecraft, but an express lane in space. The secret lies in its lifting body design. Unlike a simple capsule, ARC's shape creates lift as it cuts through the atmosphere. That gives it the ability to maneuver up to 621 miles sideways during its hypersonic dive. As it re-enters, ARC hits speeds above Mach 20 times faster than sound. The heat shield glows white hot, the body endures crushing G-forces. Then, instead of a runway like Dream Chaser or an ocean splashdown like Dragon, ARC deploys a parachute and touches down on land. And here is the clever detail: the propulsion system uses non-toxic fuels. That means troops, doctors, or scientists can open the vehicle immediately after landing. No hazmat teams, no protective suits, just grab the cargo and use it. ARC doubles as a hypersonic research platform. The United States and China are locked in a race to master hypersonic flight. Testing is expensive, risky, and usually one time only. That slows development and drives up costs. ARC offers repeatable tests. Each re-entry pushes it through the exact same conditions as hypersonic vehicles: extreme heat, brutal G-forces, violent turbulence, and because ARC is fully reusable, the tests can be repeated at a fraction of the cost. This potential already caught the eye of the Pentagon. ARC is part of the MAC-TB 2.0 program, a national hypersonic testing initiative led by Kratos. That recognition anchors Inversion directly inside America's defense research efforts. ARC did not appear out of nowhere. In January 2025, Inversion launched a test vehicle called Ray aboard a SpaceX transporter mission. Ray weighed 200 pounds and tested avionics, propulsion, and solar systems in orbit. Ray proved the team could design working spacecraft hardware. It was never intended to re-enter, but it served as a stepping stone. After Ray's success, the team turned their attention to a bigger, fully recoverable craft. ARC became the next chapter. The dream of rapid global delivery has been around for decades. In the 1960s, the US studied Project Ithacus rockets that could deliver troops anywhere in 2 hours. Later came concepts like Sustain and Hot Eagle, all collapsed under technical and financial strain. Even Elon Musk pitched Starship point-to-point travel, moving massive payloads or even people in under an hour. But Starship is colossal, dependent on huge infrastructure, and still years away from practical service. ARC stands apart, small, parachute-landed, focused purely on urgent payloads, narrower in mission but far more practical. For Ark to succeed, enormous challenges must be solved. Orbital mechanics mean no single craft can cover the entire planet at once. To truly live up to the anywhere in an hour promise, inversion needs a full constellation in multiple orbital planes. That requires significant funding and frequent launches. Thermal protection must endure repeated Mach 20 reentries. Inversion has partnered with NASA on heat shield technologies, but proving long-term reuse is still ahead. Precision landings with parachutes demand perfect guidance. Strong winds or rough terrain can push landings far from the target. The claim of pinpoint delivery must be demonstrated in practice. Regulation adds another barrier. Each reentry requires licenses and safety corridors. The VADA space case showed approvals can be secured, but scaling ARC to frequent global operations will test every legal framework in aerospace. The possibilities stretch across defense, humanitarian aid, and science. Floods, earthquakes, or storms can destroy roads and airports. Arcs in orbit could land within minutes, bringing medicine, communication devices, and drones to rebuild connectivity. Military forces in critical battles could receive spare parts, surveillance gear, or medical supplies before the fight shifts. Just in time support changes the dynamics of warfare entirely. Scientific experiments could be returned faster than ever, with delicate samples reaching labs in hours instead of weeks. Future industries could use space delivery to move high value goods at speeds impossible on land or sea. ARC could eventually become part of a global express network where orbit is no longer just for satellites but for storage and delivery of physical goods. ARC has opened a door to a future where space delivery becomes as common as air cargo is today. The journey will be filled with challenges, but the path has already begun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below, because here on Dezhn, the future is never far away. It's always just one innovation away.